refreshed the duck pool today. Blackers, of course, was the first one in. My daughter loved putting the minnows in for them to snack on. Time to go fishing. Here they started to splash so much. They soaked me, the camera. My husband was laughing. It wasn't very nice. I'm sure they were laughing their butts off. Oh my gosh, they're having so much fun. We'll chill out here in just a little bit and have another snack. We threw some mealworms in for them. They sure do love to eat. Here they start to dry off a little bit. Their wings are so pretty. The brown ducks, their wings are the most beautiful. Then of course we couldn't leave out the chickens. We threw them some mealworms. One of the chickens is missing. Can you guess who and where she went?